This is Dennis Seatsma, Dennis John Seatsma Productions, Homestead, Florida, USA. May 3rd, 2023, video log for 94 Astro van, project van. Gonna check the base timing. So I connected my timing light to positive negative battery and connected to #1 spark plug. You test the light before you get started by putting a probe on the positive lead and then pulling the trigger and seeing if the light lights. This base timing's got 2 marks on the crankshaft, so I painted one yellow and the other one orange. I don't know which is which. I replaced the distributor in here and I had a backfire. I had it like 180 off, and since then it's been running pretty rough since I replaced the distributor, so base timing may be off. Blew a hole in the muffler, that's why I need a new muffler. Anyway, I got the exhaust disconnected for the tests I did yesterday on back pressure, and no problem with the catalytic converter being clogged. And I'm going to put in one of the older O2 sensors, see if that helps. But for now I want to see if it starts and runs, and I got the exhaust disconnected so you can hear the engine better, how it's running when it runs. So hopefully, you got to watch for moving parts, but hopefully you just take the light and see if the timing looks good. And I can't even see the mark in this sunlight. Yeah, I see the yellow paint. About where I would expect it to be with the timing light. Yeah, the mark's right on there. So I got the timing right, the base timing. Alright, well, that's it for base timing. They don't say too much in the service manual how to do this or whatever. They get in a lot of heebie-jeebie talk about analytic and testing and ohm meters and all this stuff, but modern ignition systems are pretty much plug and play. Got a pretty good idle right now. I'm going to rev it up. You can hear the misfire. I'm going to do compression checks and check the spark plugs, and maybe even do leak down tests. Get back to engine basics, because I've gone all through this thing trying to make it run better, and maybe I'm at a point where I need to just drive it. Put the O2 sensor back in it and reconnect the exhaust, and I'll go from there. Now to check the base timing. Thanks for watching.